Make sure you unplug the freeze dryer before you begin this process. To change the shelf unit, the first thing that must be done is to remove the black seal. You can then pull the shelf unit out. I recommend getting a chair or stool to stand the shelf unit on while you unplug it, as it will require 2 hands to do so. The back of the shelf unit looks like this, and the plug looks like this up close. Unplugging this is a 2-step process. First is to slide the red lock toward the end of the plug. Then you press down on the rocker to release the clip while you pull the 2 halves of the plug apart. Plugging the new shelving unit in is the process in reverse. Make sure you hear an audible click when pressing the 2 parts of the plug together. Then push the red lock back into place. If you cannot push the red lock completely in place, the plug is not pressed together far enough. Return the shelving unit back into the chamber with the red heater pads on the bottom of the shelves. Replace the black seal and you are finished.